नमस्कार दोस्तों। JNU MA पॉलिटिकल साइंस का प्रीवियस ईयर 2019 का क्वेश्चन है। अब मैं बारी बारी से एक एक क्वेश्चन देखूंगा पॉलिटिकल साइंस की। नंबर फर्स्ट, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नंबर फर्स्ट, फ्रीडम इज द पॉजिटिव पावर और कैपेसिटी ऑफ डूइंग और enjoying समथिंग वर्थ डूइंग और enjoying. Who said this statement? Answer is T.H. Green. Next, what is the main function of the state pluralism? The answer is to coordinate and harmonize activities of all groups and associations. Next, who among the following advanced the notion of veil of ignorance in his theory? Last option, Rawls is the right answer. Next, which group accepted gradualness as the midwife of social change? Answer is Fabians. Next, which of the following is not an idea of individualism? The answer is taking care of individual life from cradle to grave. This is the answer. Next, which one of the following group is not authored by Parth Chatterjee? The idea of India. Next, which of the following needs votes of 2/3 majority of total membership of both houses in impeachment of president? Impeachment of president में क्या चाहिए हमें कि 2/3 मेजोरिटी चाहिए टोटल मेंबर, दोनों लोकसभा और राज्यसभा दोनों हाउसेस का 2/3 मेंबर का मेजोरिटी चाहिए अगर प्रेसिडेंट पे इम्पीचमेंट लगानी हो तो। नेक्स्ट, in the Republican theory of freedom, freedom is defined as the absence of, answer is dominion. Next, the idea of rectificatory justice is part of whose theory of justice? The answer is Robert Nozick. Next, which of the following is not a reason that Mill offers in defense of the liberty of speech and expression? The answer is difference between self-regarding and other regarding action. Next, number 11, the universal breadwinner model for society has been criticized for undermining the importance of C. the Righteson care work. Next, who was the chairman of the advisory committee of Constituent Assembly of India? Yes, ये तो हम सब जानते ही हैं, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। एडवाइजरी कमेटी, कंस्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली का एडवाइजरी कमेटी का चेयरमैन कौन है? तो सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। इनको हम आयरन मैन ऑफ इंडिया के नाम से भी जानते हैं। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट वाज द अरिस्टोटल्स एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स स्लेवरी? के प्रति अरिस्टोटल का क्या एटीट्यूड था? और क्या था? तो ही कंसिडर्ड इट टू बी नेचुरल, इसे नेचुरल वो समझते थे। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट डिड हॉबीज सपोर्ट इन लेविथिन? देन आंसर इज एब्सोल्यूट मोनार्ची। नेक्स्ट, मिल अंडरस्टूड लिबर्टी प्राइमरी इन नेगेटिव टर्म। नेक्स्ट, द आर्गुमेंट दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंटल रिलेशंस आर कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय द एनआरसी which makes it necessary for the states to maintain their independence and safeguard national interest is associated with realism. Next है which predicted that the next world war is likely to be the conflict between the West and the East? तो हुइंगटन ने किया था। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, right are those conditions of social work without which no man can seek in general to be himself at his best? कौन बोला था यह कथन? हेरोल्ड डस्की। नेक्स्ट, लीगल सोवरेनिटी इन इंडिया lies with the constitution is the answer. According to Gramsci, the concept of hegemony means क्या होता है? moral and intellectual leadership. Next is no association can last if its members do not practice justice among themselves. This idea is central to whose philosophy? Then Plato का था। Next is T.H. Marshall's definition of citizenship as full and equal membership in the political community refers to citizenship as a status. Next is election to the Rajya Sabha in India follow the principle of proportional representation. Which system is followed? Then it is followed single transferable vote system. The next is the redraw of the boundaries of electoral constituencies to maximize the efficiency of party support is referred to as this. Next is which fundamental rights in the Constitution of India is available to both citizen and aliens. कह रहा है कि कौन सा फंडामेंटल राइट्स है जो दोनों के लिए अवेलेबल हो, हमारे नागरिक इंडियन सिटीजन्स को और फॉरेनर्स को. तो कौन सा है? इक्वलिटी बिफोर लॉ. Which among the following is not relevant for the federal polity in India? Then Article 243 is answer. Next, in Max Weber's classification, modern government are increasingly dependent as on one of the following. Then the option is D, the right answer. What does the phrase "the rule of law" mean? It means everyone is equal in the eyes of law. Yes, it is right. Everyone is equal in the eye of law. The next is a key figure in the development of pluralist theories, Robert Dahl. Which egalitarian theorist views would you associate with the idea of auctions in sovereign scheme and free market? The answer is Ronald Dworkin. Next, which political theorist uses the example of a basketball player Bill Chamberlain to argue against the patterned principles of distributive justice? The answer is Robert Nozick. The next is which of the following would be associated with the nobilical politics? Then the option 1, 2 and 3 is the right answer. The next is the national traditions as we understand them are more often invented than historically involved. Whom do you think is the proponents of the view? And the answer is Eric Hobsbawm. The next is in comparative politics the concept of civic culture is used for the study of. The answer is attitudes and participation in democracy. The next is Hamza Alvi's analysis of the nature of the state in post-colonial society is based on which of the following countries? Then the answer is Pakistan and Bangladesh. The next question is Human has the view that the functions of the state appear overwhelmingly military and overwhelmingly geographical rather than the economic and domestic. Yes, this is Michael Mann. The next is who is a critic of the theory of social capital in contemporary times? The answer is John Harris. The next is for Plato, a just society is one in which the answer is each of the classes reflects the tripartite division of the soul. The next is which philosopher is linked to the idea of an early enlightenment preceding the 18th century? The answer is Benedict Spinoza. Next question 40. Good governance and participating civil society for the development were stressed in the World Bank report of 1992. Next question. The theory of prismatic society in public administration is based on a structural function analysis of public administration in developing countries. The next question is which of the following is not feature of new public administration? D is the right answer. Next is the mechanistic theory of organization is also referred as classical theory. Yes. The next is who is the author of Gulamgiri? The answer is Jyotirao Phule. The next question is in Orientalism, Edward Said applied whose technique of discourse analysis to the production of knowledge about the Middle East? The answer is Foucault. The next question: which of the following articles were not part of the original Constitution of India? Article 300A. The next is the idea of directive discourse in Indian politics is related with Parth Chatterjee. The next is the advocate of democratic peace theory is Michael Dowley. The next question and the last is who uses the term lack of power in 4 different ways, that is as the policy aimed at the certain state of affairs, as an actual state of affairs, as an approximately equal distribution of power, and the last is as any distribution of power. The name is Morgenthau. Thank you for this.